Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the decorative shell of the wiring port. Disconnect the small battery terminal. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws that fix the small battery. Remove the small battery. Pay attention to the installation direction. Install the small battery. Tighten the 2 screws. Plug back the small battery terminal. Reinstall the small battery. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.